This one's from the Foul Palette. She said, can you give us an update on your new truck? The truck is awesome. Oh my gosh, I forgot to even, we got to talk about this on the show. The truck is the best thing. I'm never going back to anything else. I'm good. Ford F-150 King Ranch. It's dark blue. I think it's called Jean Blue. And then the bottom is like a khaki thing, so it looks like it's wearing a blue shirt and khakis, and like it works at Best Buy truck, and it's like so great. It's the sound system's killer. They have Ford has a thing, I forget what it's called. Do you know what it's called? The Sync.
Oh, you Sync.
What it is?
Ford Sync, yeah.
That's what it's called. Glad I helped you out with that. Ford Sync. It syncs up to your phone and everything like that, and you got the radio and just. He's got a subwoofer that's hidden behind the back seat, and then you go in the back seat, and this guy was telling me all the things it does, and he goes, and if you want to move the back seat up, if you want to put things in there, if not, want to put them in the truck, and I'm like, yeah, I know, you pull the thing, and you lift the seat back. No, you just one hand, you go, whoosh, the seat goes up, and like it's on like a pulley system. It's the easiest thing. I'm like, why doesn't every car have this? It's unbelievable. You can make the gas pedals and brake pedals move up and down closer if you have shorter legs.
Oh.
It's the steering wheel can heat up. It's just, I'm spoiled rotten. It is the coolest thing ever. And the back of the truck, you pull down the tailgate, and the secret panel comes out, and the step goes down, and then you click this thing up, and you have a banister and a step to step up into your truck. And it's so easy for pumpkin loading. But I also want to, I'll talk about this on the show, but I need a playlist. I want a good country music playlist to jam out. I'm just going to install it in the truck. Put MP3s in the truck, so that's always in there whenever you feel like jamming out. So if you have any playlists you want to send me, or Spotify playlists, or just type them out and send them to me, and I'll look through them and make the ultimate Ford truck playlist. And I probably need a good name for it too, but we can do all that stuff. Name, playlist. I'm asking too much. Next question.